If you're seeing a bad request error on MSN, don't worry, because this is usually a browser issue, not a permanent account problem. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the MSN bad request error quickly and safely, so you can get back into your account without getting stuck in that annoying 400 error loop. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing we want to do is clear out any corrupted cookies or cached files that may be interfering with MSN or Microsoft login. Sometimes a single bad tracking cookie can send the wrong information to Microsoft's login firewall, and that can trigger repeated bad request errors. To start, open your web browser on your computer. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. Once that menu appears, set the time range to All Time. This is important because if the issue is being caused by an older corrupted cookie, clearing only the last hour or last day may not fully fix it. After that, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These are the two main things we want to remove for this fix. If you see other options like browsing history, you can leave those unchecked if you want to keep your history, but cookies and cache are the key items here. Now click Clear Data or Clear Browsing Data, depending on your browser. Give it a moment to finish, then completely close and reopen your browser. After that, try loading MSN again and sign in one more time. In many cases, this alone will solve the bad request error because the browser is no longer sending the corrupted cookie data that was causing the loop. If the error is still happening, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Sometimes aggressive privacy tools, ad blockers, or even password managers can interfere with the way Microsoft verifies your login session. They can accidentally modify scripts, block important requests, or break the authentication flow. To test this, open a new InPrivate window in Edge, or an Incognito window in Chrome or Safari. This gives you a clean session with fewer stored browsing elements, which makes it easier to tell whether an extension is the problem. In the private window, go directly to MSN and try signing in again. If it works here, that's a strong sign that one of your browser extensions is causing the bad request error in your normal browser window. At that point, go back to your regular browser and disable extensions one by one, especially anything related to ad blocking, tracking protection, script control, privacy filtering, or password management. After disabling an extension, refresh MSN and test again until you find the one causing the issue. If you want to save time, you can also try disabling all extensions at once, then re-enabling them only after MSN is working properly. That's often the fastest way to isolate the problem. And if you're on a work or school device, keep in mind that security policies or browser management tools can also affect login behavior, so the private window test is especially useful there. Once you've cleared cookies and cache and checked for extension conflicts, MSN should usually load normally again. If the problem is gone, you're done. If not, it may be worth checking whether your browser is fully up to date, because older browser versions can sometimes create compatibility issues with Microsoft login pages. So to recap, the main fix for the MSN bad request error is to clear corrupted cookies and cache, then test the site in an InPrivate or Incognito window to see whether privacy extensions are interfering. These two steps solve a lot of Microsoft login issues very quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.